Hi, I'm Carrie Fletcher, and I want to show you how to record the Semester 1 grades using your Tyler 360. So I always start from the home page. I'm going to put in spelling because I've already double checked and I know that they're what I want them to be. I suggest you do that too, but I'm not going to show you that step. I start with the grades, and scores will be what you see, and over here in this column you should have cumulative grades S1, and it's going to show you the whole semester because it's the whole semester. Okay, so I've already double checked they are what I want them to be. So down here in the right hand corner there is post. You should be able to click on post. Hopefully it's going to give you this pop-up, and remember last time it only gave us Q1. Now it's giving us S1, and that's the only option we have because that's what we're doing. Okay, so you're going to click OK. I've noticed it is taking a little while. It's going to tell you the grades have been posted. Cancel this. Then it's going to take you to the finalize page. So this is where you once again check that the grades are what you want them to be. And down here there's the little yellow checkered flag from racing, and you should be able to click on it to finalize. It's going to give you that choice again. It's going to say changes can still be made if necessary. So all you have to do is post or make the changes, post them again, then finalize again. Okay. And then that's going to give you your S1 grades there. So now you can see you've got your Q1, your cumulative S1, and your S1 again. And you're good to go. Thank you so much. Hope that helps.